Supporting it around the floor, keep it as low as you can, because the center of gravity of this is basically going to be where the motor is at. The lower you can make it, the less tippy it's going to be. Keep the motor as low as you can get it.
2 people help. You can do it yourself, but you get a heavy enough motor, you might have to be on here holding this thing down so it doesn't tip. Or if you got it as high as you got it. What's that thing weigh?
You're probably talking about 600 pounds with the trans on it.
Go down a little bit.
Clear down. A basic 302 is about 450 pounds. This transmission is about 60. You got a 30-pound flywheel in there. A Coyote fully dressed is 420 pounds, I believe.
Feed it in so that pan doesn't hit the shock. Down?
Yep, down is good. That was good. Whoa, easy there, big fella.
We're in a rush here.
We're in a rush.
We're on a deadline.
Okay. Pretty close there.
This pipe is getting pinched.
All right.
We got some the wires pinched too. You want to go up a little?
Put it on the pan.
What do we got?
Okay. Down and back.
There you go.
Okay. I need that.
Lead up a little bit.
Actually, just a hair. Does that come with the kit? No.
So what is that important part you've got?
What this is a little spacer plate. You wind up, once you get everything in, you'll see where it goes. I'm in the hole.
Good.
Drop in the other side.
Perfect.
Oh, no. Just sat right in place.
Okay, it's happy today. If you'll notice over here, what that plate is, you want to come around, I'll show you exactly what it is. This is the end of that plate. You see it right here? If you'll notice, it's very tight clearance between that header tube and the motor mount on the frame. Basically, that plate gives you a little bit of clearance right there. If you didn't put that in there, the header would actually be touching the frame, especially under acceleration when the motor mounts move. So that's what that's for.
Depending on the configuration.